Hi, we're Donny and Anna. We have 5 children, love spending time together and learning new skills. 4 years ago, we fell in love with and purchased 46 acres not far from our home with the dream of building a small farm and home there that we've been working toward one project at a time, including building an outhouse, clearing brush and trees, putting in our driveway, and prepping the build site. In our last video, you saw us pour the wall for our foundation. And in this one, we're taking you guys along as we get started with waterproofing, drainage work, electrical work, and backfill.
So now we're going to move on to waterproofing, a perimeter drain, floor drain, some electrical conduits, some other piping, and then start our backfill.
Your handy dandy tool? What do you do with that? You don't know? Okay. Oftentimes when you're building something alongside working, raising a family, and doing all the things that everyone does, your projects just aren't finished in a day or a week. Sometimes they span the entire summer. And that is certainly true with this project. And rather than sharing one big long video covering the whole summer, we'll be sharing it in smaller chunks over the next few months.
So what we did is we ran a 4-inch perforated pipe all the way around the building in stone, and then we put it into a T-fitting here, and then connected the 4-inch perforated pipe to SDR 35 with a Fernco coupling, and then this goes all the way out to the end to a coupling with a drain grate fitting. No, the other side.
Use the other
Here.
side. We use the other side.
This side.
Oh.
There you go. You might have to just put a hand on that.
Oh, I can't. So I'm just gonna use that to it. I think they found them. I think they found them. Look how it's the paint. I want to look where the paint is.
Watch your arm right here. I want you to hold this out for me. I don't want you to get glue on you.
Look how it's the glue, Daddy. It's a color that looks disgusting, Daddy. Did you got that? Look how it's...
What am I hitting?
Uh-huh.
There you go.
Nothing.
It came through.
It's coming out quite a ways. I think you have to...
Now we're gonna check our 90. On there. A little bit, come my way a little bit. Get it good. And then hand me the glue.
Ow.
Because we're gonna do these at the same
Yeah, I
time.
wanna do
Hold on. All right, Alessia, you're gonna make this up, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Hold on 1 second. Okay, now go ahead, go put it right in. Put it in.
I'm making the glue.
Push it tight. How's that look?
Hi,